truth guide our conversations, decisions, and the direction we take as a region. Thank you for your presence, your dedication, and your heart for service. May this assembly be marked by insight, collaboration, and the spirit of unity that brings lasting impact. Mabuhay ang Aguila! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Overland Region! Mabuhay!
And now we will go directly to our induction proper for the presentation of new members of Pampanga Overland Eagles Club and Grand Katipuneros Overland Eagles Club. We request for the management to turn off the lights.
Kuya Neil. Hello. Kuya.
Sama siya.
Applicants, please prepare and light your candle.
Yan. Tonight is regional assembly ng aming region, Eastern Rizal Region 4, Overland Region, sa pamumuno po ng ating Governor Kuya Joseph Hoxon at Vice Governor Kuya Rinaldo Campello, at kasama rin po ang mga club president and officers and members. Ngayong gabi, matutungayan po natin ang induction ng additional induction ng additional member ng national Eastern Rizal Region 4. Yan. At pagkatapos po ng induction ay mag-uumpisa na rin po ang regional assembly, third regional assembly ng aming Eastern Rizal Region 4. At siyempre nandito rin po ang aming mga kuya at ate sa pamumuno po ng aming presidente, Kuya Joseph, Kuya Ernie De Los Reyes, and andito rin po si Kuya Engel Tamares, si Kuya June, si Kuya Leo, si Kuya Fernan, at si Kuya Buni. At siyempre nandito rin po ang ati Alay sa Madlang Bayan. Yan. Ako naman po ay si Kuya Remo na gumanap ng colors at member ng Grand Villamor Eagles Club Overland Region. Mga kasaludo at mga kapuso, mga minamahal kong mga kuya, mga ate, good evening po sa ating lahat.
Applicants, you shall now become bona fide Eagle members or so-called kuya. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligation of being an Eagle. Please remember the essence of Eagleism. It's a state of relationship or building relationship. Members must have primordially developed a deep sense of strong brotherhood among every Eagle. Why? We should develop because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve. Service through strong brotherhood. We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow Eagles. Therefore, we must respect and support each other as brothers. In this fraternity, the Philippine Eagles. Obey the Philippine Eagles Constitution at any given time. Love God with all your heart. Develop and exercise the spirit of Alalayang Aguila. Show good example in the community because we are law-abiding citizens. Equip your family with all aspects it needs, spiritual, physical, emotional, and financial. Attend monthly meetings in your club and participate in all activities of your club. Pay your obligation always in your club, in the region, and the national assessments. Last but not the least, let us not forget being an eagle. Let us look at our fellow Kuya with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. I have a question to you, mga Kuya. Are we all clear, applicants? Yes. You answer me with yes, we are. Again, are we all clear, applicants?
Yes, we are.
Eagle Governor of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles under the Eastern Rizal Region 4, Kuya Eagle Joseph Ryan Hoxon. May I humbly present to you the charter members of Pampanga Off-Roaders Eagles Club and Grand Katipuneros Overland Eagles Club. After having undergone and completed the mandatory orientation seminars given by the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership conducted earlier today, October 5, 2025 at the Aberdeen Court, Quezon City, Philippines. For and in behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute leadership, under the leadership of the Executive Field Director Kuya Alorin, I am now highly recommending to you these applicants of Pampanga Overland Eagles Club and Grand Katipuneros Overland Eagles Club. They are now ready for induction. Kuya Governor.
Applicants, please raise your right hand. I state your name and club. Of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to its Eagles Magna Carta and believing in the capabilities as a I'll repeat after me. Of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to its Eagles Magna Carta and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, fraternal, Philippine civic organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules, and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and fellow Eagles. So help me God.
Requesting the management to please turn on the lights, please. During the Kuya, mga Kuya, you may now extinguish your candles. At this juncture, we shall now be performing the pinning of your Eagle's pin. Pin. Yes. Yung mga Kung sino po yung magpipili sa tatlong holders, please go beside them. The Eagles pin at the left collar of the barong, mga kuya natin. We may request for the play of the Eagles hymn. Congratulations mga kuya, yung tugtog natin na wala. Sorry. Welcome mga kuya to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
You may now take your seat mga kuya. That's it for our induction. Later, we can make a 5-minute recess. We can have a 5-minute recess and then we start with our regular regional assembly. Again, we thank you.
Tapos na po yung induction ng 4 na additional member ng Eastern Rizal Region 4 sa pamumuno po ng ating Governor Kuya Joseph Ocson, Vice Governor Kuya Rinaldo Campillo, at nandito rin po ang ating President, si Kuya Chris Ernie De Los Reyes, at ang aking mga kuya sa Grand Villamor Eagles Club Overland Region. Andito po, present si Kuya Leo, si Kuya Bong, si Kuya John, si Kuya Engel, at si Kuya Fernan. Mabuhay ang Agila, mga kasaludo.